Today we are doing a few activities to try and get people involved in chemistry and science in general as part of the Royal Society of Chemistry's National Chemistry Week. So that is the focus of today, is trying to get people more involved. So we're doing a few things like making Christmas tree decorations, where we're crystallising sugar onto pipe cleaners, and then also looking at different densities of liquids by making snow globes. To me, chemistry is everything. Sounds really kind of cheesy, but it's everywhere around us. It applies to so many different areas of our everyday lives. So whether it be from the time we get up to the time we go to bed, we are surrounded by chemistry. So we've got bathroom products, we've got breakfast cereals, we've got the clothes that we wear. All of those things are at some point influenced by a chemist. And it's one of those things that I always feel we don't appreciate. It's one of those things that, as I was growing up, I wasn't really aware of until you start going, oh, why does that look like that? Why does that smell like that? And that was when I really started getting into what chemistry is and why I think more and more people should be interested in what chemistry is.